How to fix camera crashing in Huawei Mate 70. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and then click on apps. Now again click on apps and open camera. Now here you can force stop your camera. Now click on force stop and then again click on force stop. After force stop your camera, then open storage and here you can clear your cache memory. After clear the cache memory, then go back to the main page of your settings and scroll down in last and then click on system and updates and open reset. On top you can see the option reset all settings. Now click on reset all settings and then again click on reset all settings. After reset all the settings, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then click on restart. After restart your device, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.